me no want to no worry too much, you know, because you see the same way we playing just a bounce up and down. I same way the road them turning in Jamaica, because I saw you carry them bounce up and down to because I road them well rocky.
Yeah, gonna make the announcement.
Yeah man. At this button, yeah?
Yeah man, that one there.
Alright. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard to Water Plant Airline. I would like to thank you for flying with we today. I will be your pilot. Me go by the name of Shaka Boom in the day and DJ Hot Pepper in the night. Today we are fly to London.
And London where I go?
What?
We are going to New York. No, London.
And London where I go?
New York.
Son of New York with
No, we there Canada, brother.
Canada with
Yes, man.
But me, I can't. Where we are go? New York?
Yes, New York.
Oh, sorry about that. You see, I throw me a regular traveler. You see it, me travel everywhere. So sometimes me just get lost. So where I go? Where we
New
go?
York.
New York. We are go for New York today. Yes, that's where we book on a flight to New York. So that's where we are go today, New York. All right, that's gonna take about
hour 15, hour.
Make up your mind. All
hour and a half. Me don't know.
About roughly 2 hours. Roughly 2 hours it gonna take. So you know, just sit back, enjoy your ride, and enjoy this man. As me say, me are your pilot, Shaka Boom, yeah man. We are experiencing some tumble dry right now.
Tumble dry. A turbulence.
What?
Turbulence it called. Turbulence.
Some turbulence. But me no want to no worry too much, you know, because you see the same way we playing just a bounce up and down. I same way the road them turning in Jamaica, because I saw you carry them bounce up and down to because I road them well rocky. So me no want to no worry too much, cause me can control this, you know, so wanna just hold on a body tight and stay put. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're there in a place, you know. And New York, we're there, you know. We arrived safely, thank God. You know, me did afraid. But you know, me not gonna lie to you, me did afraid, because for the first time, been driving plane good, you know, cause normally plane feel like he want go down with me, you know, but this time it's stay in the sky, my youth, it's stay up there, me control it this time, man. But I give me one thank you for fly with we. Make sure you come back with we, you know, no left way, you know. Come back with Water Plant Airline, cause you see how me fly a plane good? You know, if you give me ratings, you know. Give me ratings, man, because me make you reach safely, you know. Me make you reach safely. But like me they tell you know, me a Shaka Boom in the day and DJ Hot Pepper in the night.